It's soft or short E sound. Spell it.
E-G-G, egg, E-A-P, E-B,
These are soft E sounds.
E.
So it's the short E is the
A-B,
Well,
A-P,
it's just simple E plus a B sound.
A-P,
Ab.
App,
Ab.
app,
Ab.
app.
Ab, you know what that means?
Song name.
No. It's like when you're at the beach, the water comes into the shore
Yeah.
and it backs away from the shore.
Oh,
Ebb means when the water backs away from the shore.
Oh.
So the tide comes in and then it ebbs out.
Oh, so they go, wow.
Yep.
App.
Ebb.
App.
Ebb.
App. Ag. Ag. Ag.
Spell it.
E-D-G-E.
Okay. This is not a hard G sound. It's a softer G sound. So
Ag.
soft G sound is a J.
Ag.
It's like a J sound. J. So
D.
do you know what that is?
At.
Do you know what it is?
At. No.
No. This is the edge of the
Oh,
table.
at.
Edge.
Ag.
Edge.
Ad.
J.
D. Ad.
Edge. J.
Ad.
Edge.
Ad.
Edge.
Ad. Alf.
What are the letters?
E-L-K. Act.
So how do you pronounce just EL together?
Act.
Oh, it sounds like the letter. Sounds like the letter L.
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 L. Elk.
Elk.
Elk. Elk.
Elk.
Elk. Elk.
Do you know what that is?
Yeah, both here.
They've got big horns, right? They're like big, huge. What do you want to call them? Like reindeer. You know, they're huge. They're called elks.
Elk.
Elk.
Elk. Elk. Elk.
Good.
At.
Ed.
At. No, add.
Yep.
E. Add. No, add.
Close.
Add. No. Add. No.
Close.
Add.
Etch.
Add.
Etch.
Add.
Etch.
Add.
So if I were to take this knife and I were to carve my initials into the table, I will have etched my initials into the table. You know what that means?
Full name.
No. If I were to
Knife.
take this knife and to carve something into the table here, I would have etched it into the table. So that's how you etch something.
Okay.
All right?
Add.
Etch.
Add.